Hi, I'm Michelle from MassageTools.com. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified massage therapist here to do another product demonstration. Today we're going to look at the Spa Luxe saddle stool with back support. First of all, this stool, it's got these three great levers here. So this one here adjusts the back support. This one here, you can go up and down. The height range on this chair is 18 to 25 inches. There's also a lever on this side here, and this controls the tilt. So if you kind of move it back here and here, it just kind of takes a little bit of pressure off my low back, and especially with the incline, I really feel like this chair is super comfortable. So on the back of the chair, you could increase the backrest here with this knob. So you simply unscrew it, screw it to where your back position is comfortable, and then go ahead and tighten it into place. This chair also comes with a 5-caster rolling base with a chrome finish. It's super pretty. And this chair can hold up to 350 pounds, so it's a really sturdy chair. If you have any questions about this Spa Luxe product, please feel free to contact us. Thanks.